Area 51, a name synonymous with secrecy, conspiracy, and the unexplained. But what if one man claimed to have lived inside its secrets, and then, against all odds, escaped? Welcome to a deep dive into one of the most compelling and controversial tales in modern conspiracy history, the man who claimed to have escaped the notorious Area 51. Area 51, officially Homey Airport or Groom Lake, has long been a magnet for speculation, fueled by decades of silence and whispers of extraterrestrial technology. Its enduring mystery provides the perfect backdrop for extraordinary claims. Our story centers on an individual who dramatically stepped into the public eye, claiming to be a former captive or worker who had managed to break free from the top-secret facility. His testimony was explosive, often detailing highly classified operations and, most sensationally, claiming interactions or knowledge of non-human entities and recovered alien craft. He spoke of underground levels, intense security measures, and the nature of his alleged work, or imprisonment, suggesting involvement in reverse engineering technology. Whether he was a scientist, a contractor, or a captured witness, his accounts of advanced weaponry and secrets beyond typical government projects captivated those who believe in hidden truths. The pivotal moment of his narrative was the escape itself, a high-stakes, nerve-wracking bid for freedom from one of the most heavily secured locations on the planet. He described exploiting weaknesses in the security system, navigating mazes of tunnels, and avoiding countless cameras and patrols to reach the desert outside the facility's perimeter. The challenges didn't end at the fence line. Surviving the harsh Nevada desert, while evading possible pursuit, added another layer of danger to his desperate flight. Once the story broke, public reaction was immediate and intense. The media, hungry for sensational details, propelled the man's claims into the national spotlight, dividing audiences into believers and skeptics. His interviews and appearances became instant phenomena, cementing his status as a key figure in Area 51 lore and igniting countless debates across talk shows and online forums. Of course, not everyone was convinced. Many pointed to inconsistencies in his story, while government officials maintained their typical silence or issued vague denials regarding the facility's true purpose. The story of the man who escaped Area 51 continues to resonate, embodying the collective curiosity and suspicion surrounding hidden government operations and potential extraterrestrial life. Regardless of its truth, his account provided rich new details and dramatic flair to the Area 51 mythos, inspiring countless books, movies, and internet discussions that continue to this day. Ultimately, the tale forces us to ask, is it the truth, a fabrication, or perhaps something in between? What secrets truly lie behind those gates remains the ultimate, unsolved puzzle.